Hello friends, welcome to the series of organic chemistry lectures. Dear friends, today we are going to learn very important name reactions of organic chemistry, that is Diels-Alder reaction. This reaction is very important reaction with respect to organic chemistry name reactions. Then what is Diels-Alder reaction? Let us take one example. 1,3-butadiene. This is conjugated diene. Diene, isn't it? Conjugated diene with alkene. For example, ethylene. This is ethylene. At about 200 degrees centigrades, it gives rise to six-membered ring. Six-membered ring. Six-membered ring or cyclohexene. This is the product is known as adduct. Adduct. So this conjugated diene is known as diene. Diene. This is dienophile. Dienophile. Right, friends? So alkene is known as dienophile. Conjugated diene is known as diene. These names are very important, friends. So diene, dienophile, adduct. So what is Diels-Alder reaction now? Yes, alkanes undergoes 1,4 addition with conjugated dienes in presence of heat, that is heat, or Lewis acids in presence of solvent or without solvent also it takes place. It is going to give six-membered ring. Six-membered ring. Six-membered ring. This is very important, friends. Six-membered ring is the adduct, right, friends? So is known as Diels-Alder reaction. It is very important, friends. So Diels-Alder reaction is a reaction which takes place between diene and dienophile to give adduct, which is nothing but six-membered ring is going to be formed. So let us see in detail what happens. For example, so this is a simple 1,3-butadiene, simple ethylene. Yes, the yield is only about 20%. 20% yield only. We are going to get the product. But is it the same yield obtained with respect to other compounds? No, friends. So if it is substituted, for example, R here, R. So if the R is, here or here, electron donating compounds, for example methyl group will give more yields, will improve the yields of adduct, will give the better yields. However, if you take this side, ethylene side or dienophile side, if it is substituted with electron withdrawing groups, keto, aldehyde, ester, nitro, nitrile. Yes, these are all electron withdrawing groups. It is going to give more yield of this product. So how it is going to take place? Let us see some more examples. Yes, acryl aldehyde. Let us take, yes, I am writing in a simple manner without CH and all. Acryl aldehyde, CH2CH, CH2 CHO. Yes, this is acryl aldehyde. If I do the reaction, I am going to get, yes, so this is a compound, CHO will be here. Yes, friends, so this is acryl aldehyde. For example, same alkene plus, yes, just now what I said, ketone type example, just at 35 degrees centigrades only, it undergoes reaction. Yes, friends, to give So this is the ring, newly formed ring. Then what about the old ring? Yes, it will be there. This is also going to give this type of reactions. So is it going to take place only with respect to alkene and conjugated diene? No friends. This is conjugated diene plus acetylene. Acetylene CH. Yes, it gives rise to cyclohexadiene. This is one example. So acetylene also gives acetylene or alkynes also undergoes Diels order reaction. Same this plus double bond CH. So let us take our cumulated dienes allene and 1,3-butadiene. Yes, it also undergoes, allenes also undergoes Diels order reaction to give. So this is this, and here CH2, right? Exocyclic double bond compounds are going to be prepared from allenes. Let us take one more example, benzene type reactions. So this is 1,3-butadiene type conjugated diene. It is cyclopentadiene, right friends? So I am taking benzene, this side benzene, this is benzene, this is cyclopentadiene and benzene. Yes, we are going to get, yes, let us write similar compound, right? So this is here, and double bond we are going to get here. This is the compound we are going to get, friends. Benzene also undergoes Diels order reaction. These are all the examples under Diels order reaction. These only the compounds? No friends. Further, yes, we can take another example. Let us take nitrogen containing compounds. This is cyclohexadiene. Nitrogen compounds, yes, similar to our alkene. These compounds also undergoes Diels order reaction. Heterocyclic compounds we are going to get. Yes, double bond it is going to give. So here this nitrogen is here, and this CO2 are similar to this. Then what about this? So bicyclic compounds we are going to get, bicyclic compounds, right? So this CH2 and CH2 here, right? So this is how these compounds also undergoes Diels order reaction. So 1,3-butadiene plus cyanide and cyanide at 340 degrees centigrades. Yes, we are going to get very important synthetic compound, that is here cyanide, 2-cyanopyridine. 2-cyanopyridine is highly important, synthetically very important compound. So this is also Diels order product. Dear friends, I am exploring the examples to understand better what is happening with respect to Diels order reaction. This is the compound, it is undergoing. Not only this, we have seen this cyclopentadiene. Yes, so not only this reaction can be seen with respect to these compounds also, right? 1,3-butadiene type, isn't it? Or yes, it is possible 1,3-butadiene type, or you can take heterocyclic compounds. This is very important. Heterocyclic. Furan also undergoes this reaction. This is aromatic compound. Furan, aromatic compound. Furan undergoes Diels order reaction. Not only furan, anthracene also easily undergoes Diels order reaction. So let us write the anthracene. This is anthracene. So this is anthracene. This is similar to our 1,3-butadiene. This is similar to our 1,3-butadiene, or this is the similar to, this ring is similar to this 1,3-butadiene. So this anthracene easily undergoes Diels order reaction. Very important, friends. Anthracene or for example furan also undergoes Diels order reaction. So these are all the compounds, not only these. So the similar compounds which are having 1,3-dienes, 1,3-diene double bond compounds, yes, undergoes Diels order reaction with alkenes, yes, nitrile, alkyne, azo compounds, diazo compounds. So these are all the compounds undergoes Diels order reaction. So let us take anthracene plus malic anhydride. Malic anhydride. This is malic anhydride. Anthracene. Yes, friends, it is going to give the adduct. Let us write the adduct. So this is anthracene part. So it is going to give this malic anhydride. So this hydrogen will be here, this hydrogen will be here. So what is the double bond positions in this? So this is endo. I will explain endo and exo. Endos malic anhydride adduct. So this is what we are going to get, anthracene and malic anhydride under Diels order reaction conditions, or you can write DA. Right, DA, Diels order reaction, we are going to get endo anthracene malic anhydride adduct. Let us take some more examples. Anthracene, same anthracene, let us take anthracene. Yes, this is anthracene. This is anthracene. For your understanding, I am writing like this. Anthracene. Right? So with benzene, just now I have said benzene. This is benzene. Right? Under heating reaction conditions, we are going to get a compound known as tryptosine. Tryptosine. Let us see the structure of tryptosine. So beautiful compounds we will get, friends. So structurally very beautiful to see, right? So these are the compounds we are going to get. I can write like this. So benzene, yes, this benzene is here. This is known as tryptosine. This is very important compound in organic chemistry, friends. Tryptosine can be prepared from anthracene with benzene by Diels order reaction. Diels order reaction, we are going to get tryptosine. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Just now we are seeing, yes, double bond or this diene can be this way. Yes, it can exist this way also. This is CC single bond. Yes, this is S trans, single bond trans. But to undergo this Diels order reaction, S-cis is important. For the conversion of S-cis to S-trans, only 5 kilocalories are required. This is very simple. 5 kilocalories per mole is very simple to get. So this S-cis to S-trans, so S-cis compounds undergoes Diels order reaction very easily when it comes to this alkene. For example, so this is cyclodiene. Usually it exists in S-cis form only, right? So this is how S-cis compounds undergoes this Diels order reaction. When it comes to this alkene, if it is substituted here, yes, alkene also, for example, it is substituted, right? So what are the compounds? It can react this way or this way. It is going to give two different types of compounds. What are they? Yes. So R is here already and R prime. This is 1, 2 substituted compounds. Or it can give double bond will be here. So this R is here. This is 1, 3. However, during the reaction, 1, 2 compounds are formed major. This is major product. This is major product. For example, if this is like this, if it is substituted at this position, right? plus, let us take same. What is going to happen? Yes, it is going to give this R is here, right? R, and this R prime is going to be here. This is 1 3. Or it can form like this also. This is R prime, right? So 1 3, and this is 1 4. This is 1 4. In this case, 1 4 is going to be major compound. So here 1 2 major compound, here 1 4 major compound. This is how the compound selectivity is going to take place, right? So the compounds, what we are going to get, the mixture of compounds, though the mixture will be there, but the majority, yes, if it is substituted like this, it is going to give 1 2 substituted addition product, that is adduct, but not 1 3, right? 1 3 is less, right? Here also 1 3 is less, whereas 1 4 is going to be major product under Diels-Alder reaction conditions. Let us see the mechanism. Yes friends, mechanism. So you can expect ionic. So usually you can write in 3 forms. One is ionic form, second one is free radical or concerted. Concerted. Right friends, if I take ionic form, for example, this is diene plus dienophile. Ionic form, what is going to happen? So it will give like this, it will give like this, it will give like this. 2 form, this is positive charge, here double bond, here single bond, and here negative charge. And this further is going to cyclize, right? So this is ionic form of writing this reaction. If I write free radical type, yes. So free radical type, you may think this way, that is off hook. Yes. So I have to write like this, off hook, and off hook. So to give free radical and free radical, and going to give the compound. But by experimentally it is found that this is not ionic type or this is not free radical type. The reaction is concerted reaction. How? Concerted means, so same, so making and breaking the bond, yes, is taking place simultaneously. No intermediate. So the mechanism is concerted reaction mechanism. How it takes place? So it forms here, it comes here, and it comes here. So straight away, so cyclic, I can write cyclic transition state, right? So this is cyclic transition state, right? So this is concerted mechanism, no intermediate, concerted, right friends? So it is going to give, this is the compound. So concerted mechanism is expected to form, and to undergo this concerted, it must be cis-cis form. So practically it is observed that the compounds what we are going to get here, for example, it is substituted here or here, whatever may be the substituent. So the stereochemistry is not disturbed. Stereochemistry, it is very, very important friends. Stereochemistry of starting materials. If it is cis, it will be cis. It will be, if it is trans, it will be trans. So the stereochemistry of starting material is not disturbed. So remained intact. The stereochemistry will be intact. This reaction is known as stereospecific. Very, very important friends. Stereospecific reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is a stereospecific reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is a stereospecific reaction because we know that the product is going to have this stereochemistry. That means based on the starting materials, if you take cis compound, yes, it is going to give cis. If it is trans compound, yes, it is going to give trans compound. So based on the starting material stereochemistry, we are going to get the product stereochemistry. When we are in a position to predict the product or the stereochemistry is going to be intact, that reaction is going to be stereospecific. So Diels order reaction is a stereospecific reaction. Example. So the mechanism follows neither ionic nor free radical. It simply follows concerted mechanism. Concerted. There will be no intermediate. No intermediate. So it simultaneously breaking and making a bonds takes place. That is 4 pi plus 2 pi reaction takes place. 4 pi electrons 1 2 3 4 and 2 pi electrons 1 2, right? So 4 pi 2 pi addition takes place, and this is concerted reaction mechanism. So there is one more word we come across, endo and exo. What is endo and exo? Let us see. Endoadduct, endo product, endoadduct, which is very stable. Endoadduct. How to make endoadduct? Let us take for example cyclopentadiene plus malic anhydride. So malic anhydride, this is dienophile malic anhydride. Yes friends, malic anhydride. So how it is going to react? Yes, it is going to react here and here it is going to react, right? So let us write the product. What we are going to get? So this is cyclopentadiene part. Next I am writing, so double bond O and O, here it is given here, right friends? So the product, the dienophile endoadduct, this is endoadduct. This is endoadduct. The dienophile, this is dienophile. Dienophile is under the diene in the product, then it is known as endo. It is very simple friends. In the product, if the part of dienophile is below the diene part, it is known as endoadduct. So what is exoadduct? Let us take same cyclo. Yes. So this is cyclopentadiene plus, so this side, if it is going to form this side, it is known as exoadduct. What is exoadduct? Let us see. Exoadduct is nothing but exoadduct. This is exoadduct. What is the difference? Yes. So the dienophile part is away from or not below the diene part. Here it is below the diene part. Here it is not below the diene part. So this is exoadduct. Among endo and exo stability order, endo compounds are more stable than exo. This is very important friends. Endoadducts are more stable than exoadduct. So let us see the applications part. It forms different products with cis and trans isomers. For example, we know that malic acid and fumaric acid. What is malic acid? So cis acid is malic acid. This is malic acid. Since the reaction is stereospecific, so the stereochemistry is not going to disturb. It is going to give CO2H and CO2H. This is S-cis, right? S-cis. These two carboxylic acids are at same side, right friends? S-cis. This is malic acid. This is cis. The two carboxylic acids are cis form, so it is going to give S-cis compound. Same 1,3-butadiene, if I react with, what is this? What is the name of this? Same compound trans. Trans is fumaric acid. fumaric acid. What we are going to get? Yes, we are going to get, guess. So CO2H will be here. It is going to give CO2H, that is S trans carboxylic acid. So trans, that is why the reaction is stereospecific. So it can be used to differentiate the cis trans isomers. Yes friends, Diels-Alder reaction is a very big reaction. So I am going to condense it for your better understanding. Anyhow, applications, it can be used for cis trans isomers, separation of cis trans isomers. Right friends? So one more example. Let us take preparation of quinones. So just now I have said one example I have taken. Yes, benzoquinone. Under heating we are going to get, what is the product? So the name is very interesting name. So we are going to get this double bond, right? So here, so what is the compound? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 5 8 9 10 9 10 tetrahydro naphthaquinone, tetrahydra naphthaquinone. Right friends? So 1,3-butadiene with benzoquinone, we are going to get 5 8 9 10. How? Why it is 5 8 9 10? I have given numbering. 5 8 9 10 tetrahydro naphthaquinone, we are going to get quinones. Let us take the same 1,3-butadiene plus benzoquinone or naphthaquinone. Yes, naphthaquinone. This is naphthaquinone. Under Diels-Alder reactions, we are going to get, what is the compound? Guess the structure. Yes friends, this benzene ring is intact here, right? So similar to this, what we are going to get? Hydrogens here, and this is double bond, this is double bond. So oxidation, that is chromium trioxide Cr2O3, I am going to get anthracene. Chromium trioxide in acetic acid, followed by zinc reduction, we are going to get anthracene compound we are going to get. So these two oxygens should be reduced with zinc to give anthracene. So quinones and polynuclear hydrocarbons, for example anthracene. Alpha terpineol. So this is terpineol. Yes, let us take isoprene plus, this is isoprene plus methyl vinyl ketone. This is MVK. It is commonly known as MVK. Diels-Alder reaction, we are going to get, what is the compound? Yes, here CS3. This further reaction with methyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reaction, right? Acid hydrolysis, we are going to get this terpineol. What is this? OH, CH3 and CH3, right friends? So this is very simple. Methyl comes here, right? So here this is plus, right? So minus charge will be substituted here. So this is terpineol, alpha terpineol. So it is very important, synthetic important compound friends. Next, in the synthesis of camphene. So let us take cyclopentadiene plus acrylaldehyde. Under heating reaction conditions, that is Diels-Alder reaction conditions, we are going to get this is the compound we are going to get after Diels-Alder reaction. Then we are going to get camphene. 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 This is very important compound, camphene. Yes, friends. So camphene can be prepared through Diels-Alder reaction. Next, so for the synthesis of cantharidin, let us take furan. Just now I said furan also undergoes this reaction. Furan plus dicarboxylate, methyl dicarboxylate. This is acetylene dicarboxylate under Diels-Alder reaction conditions. What is the compound we are going to get? Yes. So this is nothing but here, yes, double bond, and CO2 methyl, CO2 methyl. So this is very simple, friends. So this, upon further reactions, it is going to give yes. So this is methyl. Further reactions will be done methyl, and we are going to get cantharidin. Stereospecific reactions. Nature of this Diels-Alder reaction can be explained by Woodward, Hoffman, HOMO, LUMO concept, right? So this is Woodward-Hoffman conservation of orbital symmetry. What is HOMO? HOMO stands for highest occupied molecular orbital. Right, friends? What is LUMO? Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So according to this theory, that is Woodward-Hoffman HOMO-LUMO conservation of orbital symmetry, Diels-Alder stereospecific reaction can be explained. Cycloaddition is allowed when the symmetry properties of HOMO of one reactant correlates with LUMO of another reactant or vice versa. Dear friends, it is very simple. Conservation of orbital symmetry states that cycloaddition is allowed when the symmetry properties of HOMO of one reactant correlates with LUMO of another reactant. Then only this cycloaddition will take place. Concerted cycloaddition reaction will take place, or vice versa. Either of the two, LUMO or HOMO, then only the reaction will take place. So let us take our 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Yes, 1,3-butadiene. I am taking it as LUMO. Yes. So let us write LUMO of this. LUMO of 1,3-diene, that is LUMO of 1,3-diene. LUMO, what is this? Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of diene. This is diene plus, if it reacts with dienophile of HOMO. HOMO is here dienophile, right? HOMO of dienophile. So what is going to happen? Yes, here it is a bond, right, friends? So this HOMO and LUMO will react to give this new bond. That is, so let us bring together so this is here, this is here, this is here, right, friends? So this is going to form a new bond, right? 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition, right? Cycloaddition is going to be formed, so new bond is going to be formed between this HOMO and LUMO of these two orbitals to give Right friends? So this is what we are going to get. This is an adduct. Adduct. That means during the reaction, it is not at all tilting. This is ethylene dinephile is nothing but ethylene here we have taken. So if it is substituted cis trans, suppose here it is double bond, it is substituted cis compound. The compound will not change stereospecific adduct. Stereospecific product we will get. Stereospecific. So this is the beauty of this reaction. So it is a constructed reaction based on HOMO and LUMO. Yes friends. So why this LUMO? Why this HOMO? Yes, either of two. Yes, case one this is. So if I change the HOMO and LUMO of this, so let us take HOMO of diene. Yes, HOMO of diene. HOMO of diene I am taking. So let us take HOMO of diene. This is HOMO of diene. Right friends? So let us take LUMO of dienophile. Can I write like this? LUMO of dienophile? Yes. LUMO of dienophile. This is LUMO of dienophile. So upon heating, so constructed reaction mixture, it is going to form bond between yes HOMO and LUMO. So similar orbitals, conservation symmetry. Yes. So between this and this, it is going to form a bond. Yes. I am bringing closer. Don't think it is becoming small or big. Yes. So it is coming closer. It is there. Yes. And this is here, this is here. What is happening? So this is unoccupied. S bond is going to form. Unoccupied and unoccupied, occupied and occupied orbitals bond is going to form to give right friends. So same we are going to get the product. It is stereospecific adduct. So either of two, when it is going to follow HOMO and LUMO concept, this is how we are going to get stereospecific products. So HOMO and LUMO, that is HOMO is highest occupied molecular orbital. Right friends? So what is LUMO? Just now I said yes. LUMO is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Yes friends, so detailed what is unoccupied, occupied and orbital symmetry, it will be explained in a different chapters. But here when it comes to Diels order reaction concept, yes, it based on Woodward-Hoffmann HOMO-LUMO concept, conservation of orbital symmetry. So the HOMO-LUMO reaction will take place, yes, correlated with respect to HOMO and LUMO. So vice versa, the reaction will take place to give the adduct stereospecific adduct. Dear friends, I hope you understand the topic. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Bye. Sayonara. All the best. Arigatou gozaimasu.